Hi everyone, I'm hopeful that all you will be fine. In the last session, we have learned how we can actually get user token using the Zoom users REST API by the passing the user ID. Okay, so we are keep continuing with the Zoom users REST API, and in this session we will learn how we can actually get the users summary. User summary means we can get the a report of users, that how many users we have on our Zoom account and what plan they have. Okay, so what the type of user we have. So we can get all the data by requesting the summary endpoint. Okay. So for that, we first need to create a const variable inside the constants. Okay. So we say here, first we need to create a constant. So say summary. Okay. And we need to say users slash summary. Okay. And we need to export that constant. So this is the basically summary relative path where we can request. Okay, so first we need to import that. So here we first need to import, so we say summary. Okay, and at the bottom we are just going to create a helper, so we say user summary async, and we do not have any parameter. So for requesting this endpoint, you must be have a user read admin scope. Okay, then you can access this endpoint. And now and this endpoint have a medium rate limit. That means you can only request 20 requests per second if you have a pro plan, and if you have a business plus plan, then you can request 60 requests per second. Okay, so let's build the URI. So we say summary URI, and we need to first set the API based URI and append summary. Okay, and we need to bind the X here. So we say data, and we need to say await Axios, and we say URL with the summary URI method get. Okay, and headers. So for the headers, we have a need for the JW token where I have a scope for the admin. So I think I need to get the token. So I just copy the environment variable name, place, bind then. Okay, response, return response, and page error, need to return the error. Okay, and just return data. Okay, in the response you will get all the what type users you have on your Zoom account with the count. Okay, so you can get a count for the basic users, that how many total basic users you have. So total basic. Okay, total basic users, and join only users. Okay, and you have a licensed, you only use licensed user total. Okay, okay, and you have a for the licensed and room users total, and you have also count for the painting users. Okay, and total users. So all the sum of above type users, you have a total users. So let's request and see inside the response. Okay, so just need to place a breakpoint. First need to export this. So we say user summary. Inside the API, we first need to import. So we have say user summary. At the bottom, we need to create an endpoint, and we say app.get, and we say API Zoom and users. I think we say summary users summary. Okay, async request response and need to call the helper. So we say here summary and we say await user summary, and we need to return the response. We say return response.json and summary, format the code, okay, place the semicolon, and need to start the API. We say npm start, and from the browser we need to request. So we say here localhost 4000/API Zoom users and summary. Enter. I think that endpoint is not triggering, so that's why we need to move this to top so that we can get triggered here and here. I think we just need to paste it here. Just need to stop, start, okay, and just okay. So we have a response inside the data. We can see we have basic user count 1, join only user count 0, license user count 1, on-prem user count 0, pending user 0, room user 0, and total user is 2. Okay, so I'm hopeful that you have enjoyed this session. If you have any query regarding this session, then just please press the comment with your query, and you can also share your suggestion and queries, so I may share contact details. Okay, take care. Bye bye.